The benefits of drinking banana water for sleep and more. 1. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world. Many people do not realize that these are wonderful for helping you to fall asleep at night. 2. These bright yellow fruits contain high amounts of potassium and magnesium. These are natural muscle relaxants and therefore can help your body to settle and relax before sleep. 3. To make this powerful sleep aid, you can simply add 1 to 2 bananas in a pan with 2 cups of water. Allow this to boil for 5 minutes before drinking. Make sure to also boil the banana peel, as this is very important. 4. You can now strain the mixture and pour the delicious banana tea into a cup. Optionally, add a little cinnamon and honey for extra flavor. 5. The banana skin or peel contains L-tryptophan. This is a powerful amino acid which helps your brain to produce relaxing neurotransmitters. 6. This helps to balance sleep hormones and improve your sleep cycle. Be sure to drink this tea 20 minutes before bed to allow it to kick in. 7. The cooked banana can also be eaten, including the skin. This is very tasty and works well when mixed with porridge. 8. This drink is a great alternative to using store-bought sleep aids or drugs. These drugs often cause you to become addicted. Bananas and water, however, are 100% natural. 9. A lack of sleep can cause all kinds of problems, especially in reducing your concentration and clarity of thought. Having a good night's sleep is extremely important for good mental health, cellular healing, and a healthy hormone balance. 10. Banana tea has been shown to cure insomnia in many cases and can be used safely whenever you have trouble sleeping or every night. 11. We also recommend passion flower tea if you are finding yourself stressed in bed at night. Passion flower reduces overthinking and creates states of calm peace in the mind. 12. The potassium in the banana water also helps to lower blood pressure and protect the health of the heart. To learn more about healthy recipes to improve your health, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.